Hi, welcome to RTC. In this video, I'll show you how to install YouTube app on Windows 10 or 11 using Chrome browser. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Thanks. Now let's start. Go and open Chrome browser. In the address bar type youtube.com, and hit enter. First, be sure that you sign in your Google account in your Chrome. Once you've done that, click these three dots at the top left corner. Then you will see this, Install YouTube. Click on it. A new window will pop up saying Install App. Now click Install. Once you click on it, it will automatically open YouTube app. Here, you can see the new shortcut icon for YouTube in your desktop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable Windows tips and tricks. This is Randy from RTC and I will see you in the next video.